NEBOSH IG1, element number 3, topic number 2, organization, job and individual factors. Organization, job and individual factors play a key role in the safety culture of any organization. Like the organization, we see the leadership, system and culture, and the individual, their behavior, responsibility and mindset. The job, how they affect, like we will have procedures, equipment and design. They also affect the safety culture of the organization. Organization factors. In organization culture, what is the culture of the organization? Towards positive or towards negative? Means the overall culture of the organization. They consider safety as a priority or not. Its approach to responsibility and leadership. How is the leadership and the responsibility? They fulfill their leadership and responsibility. Are their requirements is required? The resources provided to achieve health and safety. For the implementation of the management system, we will need resources. Either the organization provide the required resources on time or not. How health and safety is communicated. What is the communication of health and safety? The health and safety is communicated to the all employees because it's also important. If we have procedures, good procedures, everything, but not communicated to the employees, they will be unable to do the good things for the enhancement of the safety culture of the organization. The way the organization organize work, what's the ways of the organization, how they organize different works. The supervision level, what's the level of supervision in the organization. The standard procedure, it's what they have the procedures, the standards and procedure. Training needs and opportunities. They have the identified the TNA, training need analysis and the opportunities when the employees will be provided training. Involvement in consultation of the employees. Does the organization involve the employees in certain cases, involve them and consult them, because this is also plays a key role. Organization aspect can be managed by how we can manage. Clear and evident commitment which promote a safety culture, provide positive leadership, clear identification of responsibilities, and effective coordination of health and safety efforts. These are the how we will manage. Resources, provide resources on time, including money, to ensure time and money to ensure the best system and work practice to minimize risk. Supervision should be provided. Now, effective communication of the objective and collaboration of managers and workers. A systematic approach to health and safety, usually by establishing a formal health and safety management system, consideration of work pattern to ensure fatigue and boredom and are minimized. Procedures, standards and monitoring. The organization will have procedures in line with the requirement and based on the standards and proper monitoring. Provide the required training to the employees as per the job requirement. Involve the employees in the risk assessment and safety issue. What we have in the organization factors, these are the recommendation how we can manage. Now the job factor, the task individual carry out. This is important. The task is like having more hazards and risk. The effect of workload in the workplace equipment. What are the workload? Means the people they are under high load of work, so it will create stress in work equipment. The work equipment designed properly for the work. The design and maintenance of equipment and procedures. Now see here, this is a job factor. The job sector, the job aspects can be managed by identification and comprehensive analysis of the task expected of individual, application of economic principle to design of the person equipment, interfaces, provision and maintenance of corrective tools and equipment for the job, design and consistency of presentation of procedures, and suitable communication of information, scheduling of work pattern including shift organization and workload control of the work equipment so that it reduces fatigue and stress. Now, individual factors. Individual factors like experience in the womb, birth trauma, family influence, geographical location, free school influences, and education opportunities, quality support, occupational factor training and retraining, hobbies and interests, own family influence, marriage, children, and aging. See this? Like physical gender, male or female, then build, large size of the person may restrict movement in confined space. Then color blindness, health, capability strength, manual handling, attitude, all PPS uncompatible, motivation, risk versus reward, perception, do not respond to alarm, capability to follow safety instructions. Individual aspects can be managed by writing job and person specification such as age, physical aptitude, personality, knowledge, skills, and experience. Our ergonomics principle, use ergonomics principle where possible matching the job to the individual, implement an effective training system, monitor individual performance, particular supervision for individuals that do high-risk jobs. Provide free employment and periodic health surveillance where this is needed. Review individual factors affecting individual after periods of absence. Provide counseling and support for health or stress, ill health or stress. Now, human factor which influence behavior, personality, set of mental characteristics that influence a person, attitude, the tendency to respond in a particular way to a certain situation. Attitude, aptitude. Aptitude means to tendency to be good at certain things. Some people they are good in something, some people are not good in something. Motivation, the driving force behind the way a person acts in order to achieve a goal. So if you have any question, write in your comments and we will revert to you your comments. Thank you very much.